Ferrari truck, Purosangue, baby. The carbon fiber fenders, dead giveaway. Sickest SUV on the market. You cannot get much more car than this. This is basically an 812 Superfast and an SUV. The thing's fucking pimp. It's the coolest truck I've ever seen. What car comes with stock carbon fiber fender flares? Thing's awesome. So anyways, we're slapping a cap back on this thing, not just any cap back, a GExhaust cap back that we're shipping nationwide. If you want a Purosangue, you don't want to spend Novatech numbers, $18,000 is fucking crazy, shoot yourself. You already spent fucking $500,000 on this thing. You don't want to spend another 20 G's on just exhaust. You just want to wake up the sound a little bit so you can hear that V12 in that thing. Make it sound more like a 812. We are offering systems, we're developing systems for it. We just finished developing a system for this. It is a full titanium catback. It's a muffler bypass kit with the stock factory valve brackets and a mid-pipe H-pipe, X-pipe design. So H-pipe, X-pipe, fucking sick shit. Anyways, full titanium to give it that Ferrari exotic pitch that everybody looks for when you buy an exhaust for an exotic like this. So let me show you guys the system. I'm gonna wrap this thing up. We're gonna start taking this thing apart. Unfortunately, we gotta take apart all the back end. And yeah, man, just to show you guys real quick, this is the back end muffler bypass kit. G by GExhaust. As you know, I am G from GExhaust. That's Geo from GExhaust. J from GExhaust behind the camera. This is the muffler bypass kit. Comes with the factory brackets to bolt everything back on. All the heat shields, stock factory valve brackets, and mid-sections in the box. We're about to unbox it, show you guys the rest of the system. As of right now, let me slap this thing on the lift, show you guys what's underneath. It's a fucking wicked car, bro. Wrapped up the Ferrari Purosangue. I mean, dude, there's not much to say about this car. I looked at it, it comes with a flat gray paint job from factory, carbon fiber trim everywhere. The exhaust system that we slapped on here does keep the factory bezels in the back, so the tips stay intact. Those are just shields, quote unquote exhaust tips. They're just like bezels bracketed into the bumper, which is pretty cool. I would prefer some new tips, but you gotta buy a fucking Novatech system if you want to buy a full system, full system with tips, which is like $20,000-$30,000. We got this for a fraction of the cost. If you got a Purosangue, let us know. We got systems available for you guys. But just to show you guys the rest of the car, carbon fiber everywhere, man. Side skirts, fender flares, front bumper. Thing's sick. Fully kitted, straight from factory. That's what happens when you buy a $500,000 Ferrari SUV. I think all of them come with this carbon fiber trim. I could be mistaken, but I've pretty much seen the flares on all of them so far. This thing does come with a factory set of 22s, two-tone 22s with the massive brake calipers and the rotors, man. Those things are sick. Big boy rotors. So, and carbon fiber wheel caps. Pretty badass. And yeah, let me show you guys the interior real quick. The other really cool thing about the Purosangue is everything's suede on the inside. Also, what truck you know got suicide doors besides the Cullinan? Pretty pimp. I think this is the coolest feature about the vehicle, the suicide doors. Besides the 812 Superfast V12 in the thing, suicide door is badass. I mean, how cool is that, you know? You're pulling up, the homies in the back seat, got the captain's chairs. I mean, like, the back seats are just as nice as the front seats. How often do you see that? So, I mean, wrapped in suede everywhere. Like, even the back of the seats, right behind the seats themselves are suede, which is fucking awesome. This thing's sick. Also comes with a full glass roof. Like I said, an 812 Superfast V12 in this thing. The thing's nasty. Got the, iconic intake manifold from Ferrari in red with, the badging. You guys see that chassis number 324650. And yeah, and a hand-painted Ferrari emblem on the side. Supposedly, some little guy in Italy is just hand-painting those. He's just cranking them out, man. I mean, that's sick. If it is hand painted, I mean, it's badass. The guy's a fucking artist. So yeah, we wrapped up this titanium cat back on this Ferrari Purosangue. Other shops were quoting him $18,000, $20,000. We cut that in half. We did it for a fraction of the cost. Full titanium midsection with a merge mid-pipe, X-pipe, H-pipe design, and then a muffler bypass system with the stock factory valve brackets. So you keep the original function without any check engine lights. The car does not have any check engine lights because he came to GExhaust, boys. So if you got a Purosangue, we're shipping all around the country. If you're interested in a system like this, you don't want to spend $30,000, $20,000, even $15,000. We could do it for a fraction of the cost. Hit us up if you're interested. Let us know. Let me know what you think we should do next to this thing. Maybe a V12 supercharger. So that's it. That's a Purosangue, straight up Ferrari SUV. Thing's a fucking monster. Pleasure to work on. So if you got a Ferrari, you got an SUV, you hit us up. We get you a titanium cap back for this thing and wake it up. Keep it under warranty so you don't have any issues at the dealer. Also, a lot less than most of these other systems. Novatech's charging 20 grand for this shit. The same exact setup. You don't need to spend 20 grand on this setup. Let us know below if you guys like the way this thing sounds. If you like the Ferrari SUV, hit us up. If you got a Ferrari SUV, any other exotic out there, we got systems available for it. Hit us up. GExhaust, we out.